What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2008 Victory. I think this is the 8-ball. Guys, this bike's really cool looking. It's got the 100 cubic inch, 5-speed transmission. This bike was locally traded in. It's got bags on it. They actually don't look bad. They're not the stock. I don't think this comes stock with bags, but they look pretty good. Rear fender's in good shape. He traded in on a Heritage. It's got aftermarket pipes on it. Oh, it's got a chip right there. You can see that in the paint. Belt driven. Let's see. So all looks pretty good. So all looks good down along here. Front fender. Front fender's got a chip right there. It's got this sticker right here on the front fender. It's got this like fairing on it. It actually looks pretty decent. It's just like a Memphis shades, I think. Yeah, Memphis shades. So all looks pretty good. It does have some scratches you can see like down here on that. Some small scuffs, not a big deal. This is all in pretty good shape, guys. It does have a chip here on the tank. It's got super low miles. 3,635. Fires up right away. Let's check it out. Bike runs great, guys. Like I said, 2008 Victory highball, or not highball, Victory 8-ball. It's a great freaking bike, guys. It is not going to last long, so let me know if something you're interested in. It's super cheap. Thanks so much for watching, guys.